Attention officers, the following briefing is classified. Unauthorized dissemination of this information will result in disciplinary action and/or termination. The Ixodes scapularis, or the deer tick, a common pest, but recent intelligence suggests a concerning anomaly with it. Reports from our operatives indicate abnormal behaviors. These ticks are not acting in isolation, they're organizing. Special units have been deployed to manage these known locations. Regular patrols are to maintain a perimeter and report any unusual activity. Confidential studies have identified unsettling changes in their anatomy. There are features that shouldn't be there, and behaviors suggesting a parasitic control over human hosts. Safety protocols have been established. This is not a drill. This is not a test. Adherence is mandatory. We don't yet understand the full scope of this phenomenon, but our duty remains clear: protect the community and contain the threat.